Hello everybody and welcome to the Ship Modelers Library. Today I'd like to introduce a book, Ship Models, the Thomson collection at the Art Gallery of Ontario. Ship models are a priceless historical record of vessels that have long since been sunk or broken up. They were created for a variety of purposes. In the first instance, to sell a proposed ship to a Navy committee or other buyer, or alternatively as a memento or souvenir of a famous vessel. In general, models offer a fascinating entry into a life and technology now obsolete but highly evocative. Many are beautifully and carefully crafted. The holdings in the Thomson collection date from the late 17th to the mid-20th century and represent a diversity of model style and ship type ranging from tugs, dredgers and travelers to cargo vessels, passenger steamers, private yachts, corvettes, battleships, cruisers, torpedo boats, destroyers, and 2 aircraft carriers. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.